Selecting an editor for coding is also an essential part. Best editor always help to write better, clean and understandable code. In this video, we install the two best editors, Sublime Text Editor and Visual Studio Code for PHP. First, install Sublime and its useful plugin for PHP, CSS and JS. Sublime Text is a lightweight editor for backend and UI development. Included more than 20 plus programming language support by Sublime Text and 1000 plus more plugins to make it an even more greater editor for the development. In Ubuntu, you can install using terminal or Ubuntu Software Central or directly download the .deb file from the official website of Sublime Text Editor. It is easy to install a text editor either on a Linux operating system or a Windows operating system. The most important part of the editor is selecting the right plugin for your code. In this tutorial, we are using PHP, CSS, JS and HTML, so I am going to install a plugin that mostly supports these four languages. In Sublime Text, to install a plugin, you need to install the package control first. Then this package control directly display the plugin that is available to install on a Sublime Text. To install a package control, click on Tools, then Command Palette, then search package control. Click on Install Package Control. Sublime install this package control and display you a message of confirmation. After installing a package control, you first need two plugins, LSP and LSP IntelliFans. To install this plugin, click on Tools, then same Command Palette, then search package control, then search package LSP first. Then click on LSP name. It will install and display a message on your editor. Same for LSP IntelliFans. Click on Tools, Command Palette, Package Control, search package LSP IntelliFans. Click on LSP IntelliFans name. LSP package need Node.js package. Sublime editor show you a pop-up for Node.js package. Install that package also if you haven't installed that package on the editor. So what this plugin does is show you a real-time error when you write a code on the editor. On the bottom screen, small part of the screen show you what type of error you have. It is a very useful plugin as you no need to reload a code on the browser, then again change a code and check again, or simply use this plugin. It directly show any error that is in a code on your screen. Another optional plugin you install on Sublime is a Sublime Linter package, and for the specific language Sublime Linter PHP, Sublime Linter -CSS int, Sublime Linter -JS hint. It is the same process, just search and install this package from the package control, install package. Sublime Linter package show you an inline error on the editor. This simple and useful package. Now we are going to install the Visual Studio Code editor on Ubuntu. The process is the same, install from the official website or the Ubuntu Software Center. Both provide you with the stable and latest version. VS Code is a powerful software that need a powerful PC. It has a wide range of packages that help this editor make it more powerful. The only drawback I see for the editor is it is slow for most of PC. If you compare VS Code and Sublime Text Editor, VS Code is powerful but slow. Sublime is simple and fast. Now to install the package on VS Code is more simple and easy. Click on extension or press Ctrl+Shift+X to search for PHP IntelliSense to install this package. This package shows an error in a real time. I like Sublime Text, I really do. I like how fast it is, how versatile it is, and overall I have had a very good experience with it. Despite how popular VS Code has become recently, I find it just a little slow to my liking. Then there is also PHP Storm, which is feature packed but a little heavy to my liking. Don't worry if you like an editor that is not so popular and difficult to use, it is your choice which editor you need. Always select an editor that makes your code clean, easy and understandable to you and other also. That's it guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next tutorial and don't forget to like, comment and share the video. Bye bye developers.